Good day, everyone, especially to Mr. Norberto, our cooperative professor. I am the chairperson or the CEO of San Roque SkillSwap Cooperative. Before we start, let me introduce what SkillSwap Cooperative is. The SkillSwap Cooperative is an innovative community-driven initiative that provides a platform for members to freely exchange their diverse skills and knowledge. The core idea behind the cooperative is to foster a collaborative environment where individuals can learn from one another, expand their capabilities, and contribute to the growth of the entire community. Unlike traditional monetary-based transaction, the SkillSwap Cooperative operates on the principle of skill sharing. Members can offer their expertise in various areas such as cooking, arts and crafts, technology, language, or any other specialized skills they possess, and in return, they can learn new skills from fellow members. The cooperative mission is to create a vibrant, inclusive space where personal growth and community development go hand in hand by breaking down financial barriers to learning a skill acquisition. The SkillSwap Cooperative empowers its members to explore new interests, develop their talents, and cultivate meaningful connection with others who share their passion for lifelong learning. Through a range of programs and services, the cooperative facilitates skill sharing workshops, mentorship opportunities, and collaborative projects. Members can not only share their knowledge but also learn from their experienced practitioners, fostering a continuous cycle of skills development and exchange. At the heart of SkillSwap Cooperative lies the belief that everyone has something valuable to contribute, and by coming together, we can collectively enrich our community and enhance our individual capabilities. This cooperative model represents a unique and innovative approach to learning, personal growth, and community building. And now, let's proceed to our logo. As you can see here, this logo represents the SkillSwap Cooperative for the year 2024. Now, let's take a closer look at the various elements that you can see in our logo. The first, the circular shape. The overall design is in the form of a circular badge or emblem, which is common way to present cooperative or community branding. And next, the text. The main text displays the name San Roque SkillSwap Cooperative, clearly identifying the organization and its purpose. Third, the brain icon that you can see at the center of the logo. There is a stylized brain icon, which symbolizes the focus on skill learning, skill sharing, and the exchange of knowledge among the cooperative's members. The fourth, the swirling patterns that surrounding the brain icon are abstract. Swirling patterns in various shades of purple and blue. These patterns suggest the dynamic nature of the skill sharing process, with ideas and information flowing and connecting with the cooperative. 5. The stars at the bottom of the logo. There are 3 stars which could represent the cooperative's rating, quality, or level of achievement. And last, the swap logo encircling the brain. This represents swapping our own skills or talents in each other's so that we can learn our or their another's talents or skills. Overall, this logo conveys a sense of collaborations, cognitive engagement, and a commitment to skill development and exchange within the SkillSwap Cooperative. The design elements work together to create a visually appealing and conceptually meaningful representation of the cooperative's purpose and values. The Cooperative Development Authorities or CDA flywheel strategy is the comprehensive approach that can be highly beneficial for the SkillSwap Cooperative. The flywheel concept emphasizes how each action and improvement within the cooperative can build continuous momentum and sustain growth over time. At the center of the flywheel is the cooperative's core mission, which is to foster skills sharing, collaborative learning, and the personal growth among its members. This mission serves as the driving force that propels the entire flywheel. Surrounding the missions are the 5 key elements of the flywheel, which are governance, membership, skill sharing programs, financial sustainability, and community engagement. First, let me discuss the governance. Governance effective structures decision-making process that empowers members and ensure that cooperatives' long-term viability. Second, its membership. Continuous efforts to engage retain, and grow the cooperative's members base with a focus on diversity and active participation. Third, the skill sharing programs. It is robust programs and services that facilitate the exchange of skills and knowledge among members, fueling the cooperative's purpose. Fourth, financial sustainability. Sound financial management, diversified revenue streams, and strategic capitalization to support the cooperative's growth and resilience. And last, the community engagement. It is strong connections and partnership with the local community, enhancing the cooperative's impact and relevance. As the flywheel gains momentum, each element reinforces others, creating a self-sustaining cycle of process or progress. For example, improved governance leads to better member engagement, which in turn strengthens the skill sharing programs and financial sustainability, ultimately enhancing the cooperative's overall impact within the community. This holistic approach ensures that Skillswap Cooperative continuously adapts and improves, building on its successes and addressing its evolving needs, ultimately driving sustainable growth and impact. While the CDA's flywheel strategy provides a comprehensive framework, there may be some potential challenges or limitations that the Skillswap Cooperative should consider. First, the flexibility and prioritization. The cooperative may need to adapt the flywheel strategy to accommodate its unique circumstances, priorities, and resource constraints. A more flexible, paced approach that allows for strategic prioritization of critical elements may be necessary. Next, organizational capacity. Smaller or younger cooperatives like the SkillSwap may face challenges in simultaneously addressing all aspects of the flywheel, especially in terms of available human resources, expertise, and financial capacity. Tailoring the implementation to match the cooperative's current capabilities will be crucial. And last, the stakeholder alignment. Ensuring that all members, volunteers, and stakeholders understand and are aligned with the flywheel strategy may require dedicated communication, training, and change management effort, which should be factored in the implementation. To address these potential challenges, the SkillSwap Cooperative considered these following adaptations. First, conducting a through assessment to identify the most critical development areas and prioritize them accordingly. Next, adopting a more modular approach where the cooperative focuses on specific elements of the flywheel in a paced manner, building momentum before moving to the next focused area. And next, investing in capacity building initiatives such as leadership development and volunteer training to strengthen the cooperative's internal resources and expertise. And last, engaging members and stakeholders through regular communication, feedback mechanism, and collaborative decision making to ensure alignment and buy-in. By adapting the CDA's flywheel strategy to their unique context, the SkillSwap Cooperative can optimize its implementation and ensure the strategy's effectiveness in driving continuous growth and impact. In the context of SkillSwap Cooperative, the term unfinished business refers to the ongoing goals or projects that are yet to be completed, representing the cooperative's commitment to continuous improvement and development. These are the specific example of the SkillSwap Cooperative's unfinished business, and plans for improvement and completion include membership engagement and retentions. While the cooperative has established a strong member base, there is an ongoing effort to continuously engage and retain members, ensuring their active participation and sense of ownership. Implementing a comprehensive member onboarding and orientation programs to foster a younger sense of belonging and engagement. Establishing a member advisory council to gather ongoing feedback and empower members in the cooperative decision-making processes. Organizing social and networking events to strengthen the sense of community and encourage member-to-member connections. Next, skill sharing program expansion. The cooperative aims to expand the breadth and depth of its skill sharing programs, introducing new workshops, mentorship opportunities, and collaborative projects to meet the evolving needs and interests of its members. Conducting member surveys to identify new skill sharing topics and areas of interest and adjusting the program offerings accordingly. Exploring the creation of a skill mentor program where experienced member can provide one-on-one guidance and support to those seeking to develop specific skills. Leveraging digital platforms to expand the reach and accessibility of the cooperative skill sharing programs, including online workshops and virtual learning opportunities. Next, the financial diversification. The cooperative recognized the importance of diversifying its revenue streams beyond members' contributions, exploring additional income sources such as grants, partnership, or revenue generating services to enhance its long term financial sustainability. Um, Researching and applying for relevant grants and funding opportunities that align with the cooperative's mission and priorities. Next, exploring the feasibility of introducing revenue-generating services such as a cooperative-owned consulting or contracting service or supplement member contributions. Strengthening the cooperative's financial management system and forecasting capabilities to support long-term planning and strategic decision-making. And last, the community outreach and partnership. The cooperative seeks to strengthen its ties with the local community, forging new partnerships and exploring collaborative initiatives that amplify its impact and visibility within the broader context. Initiating a community ambassadors program where members engage with local organizations, schools, and businesses to promote the Skill Swap cooperative and explore collaborative opportunities. Developing a comprehensive marketing and communication strategy to raise awareness of the cooperative's offering and its positive impact on the community. Cultivating partnership with the cooperative's educational institutions and community-based organization to leverage shared resource and create synergies. Um, by addressing these unfinished areas with a clear plan of actions, the SkillSwap Cooperative can continue to build on its past success, stay responsive to the evolving needs of its members, and enhance its overall impact within the community. That would be all. Thank you for your time and efforts for listening and understanding in SkillSwap Cooperative.